Hey guys, Dusty Escondido German. Just want to go over this. This is a 2011 Cayenne Turbo. We have the newer V8s with the direct injection style on them. We made a video earlier about the Volkswagen, the Audis, and Mini Coopers. Those were having a lot of issues with carbon buildup on the back sides of the valves. We are starting to see some of this on Porsches as well. So I just want to kind of go over it with you. We got a couple of intake runners here. We got one that's clean right here. You can see straight down in there. That's an example of what it looks like after we're done. And then we scoot kind of over to the side. You're going to see one that's not very clean. You can see some carbon, like a gummy, oily substance on the back sides of those valves. It's not to the point where it's an extreme, where it's going to cause the engine to run rough, but we had this particular car part because these coolant pipes like to pop off on these water pump assemblies, so we were doing that repair and we saw that in the middle of it. So obviously this car only has about 60,000 miles on it. We're going to probably start seeing drivability issues right around the 90 mark, just based on what we can see. But we want, since we had the car apart, we want to make sure we take care of as much as we can with it. That way it's more cost effective long term. But don't be surprised if we start seeing some more out of these cars. Anything direct injected until, like I said, they start implementing their changes as far as adding the injectors back into the intakes as a secondary measure, just to keep the valves clean. But you can obviously see the system. It's got the high pressure fuel rail going to the injectors, and they're each sequentially fired from there. So pretty cool. Just another thing to keep in mind, you know, for anybody that's purchasing new cars. Almost all new cars are going to this style. So, and this is a potential issue you're going to find with that. So hope this helps. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Thanks guys.